Alright guys, here's a video update of the young bird team. We currently have them on 2 tablespoons per bird and they're doing great. I don't want to cut them back anymore because they're still young and we want the birds to fully be able to develop without any stress. So right now that's where we're at. Once they age a little bit more in the next few months, we'll keep an eye on the feed. But as you guys can see, they're hungry a little bit. And that's because I rested them yesterday and they didn't get, I took away 2 tablespoons just because I want them to fly about the same time. Usually when you give them one rest day in between, they'll come a bit out energetic. So what I did was I gave them their rest, but took away a little bit of feed to have them hungry. So they're not weak, they're just a little hungry. So I'm gonna go ahead and fly them out my birthday day and then see how they do. They're starting to fly nice and slow. The birds are starting to get really comfortable with the area, their pattern. Most of the birds have found their position in the kit. So this is what it takes to get your birds to become a good kit. Repetition, and then they actually start enjoying what they do every day. It is kind of warm out today, so I'm not sure what they're gonna do today.